Welcome, my friends, to Guardian 95 Aviation and Wings Flight Club. I'm Johnson, manager of Wings Flight Club in Danville. Today, I am going to take a short flight to Frankfurt. Going to be hooking up with one of my son's classmates and her mom over there. They have never been up in a small plane before, so I'm hoping that I can share some of the joy of aviation with them and maybe fly over their farm, give them a different perspective of their land, their property, than what they see on a day-to-day basis when they're out there actually working it. So today's journey is going to be in this Cessna 172. This is 13821, and it is it's a good flying plane. Actually, I haven't flown in quite a while, but I did my very first long solo cross-country after I had my pilot's license in this plane. I flew my son to Neil Armstrong Airport in Ohio. So I'm going to get a pre-flight. I'm waiting for Wesley Buddy to finish up, and we're going to get wheels up here. Aha! There's the man right there. What's up there, Wesley Buddy?
You do.
All right, man. You feel good?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna finish checking it out. We've done the outside, so we're gonna continue our pre-flight, and then we're gonna get in the air so we can be in Frankfurt by 4:30. We got plenty of time, by the way, so no big rush. All right, our seats are locked. Avionics master switch is off. Autopilot is off. Carb heat is in. Mixture full, rich. Throttle, slight. Prime, it's been done. Brakes, feet are on the brakes. And I'll secure my door. Clear prop. Master switch is coming on. Beacon is on already. And we're going to start. All right, Avionics Master is coming on. Oil pressure is in the green. Oil temperature will be coming up in a little bit. Flaps are coming up. Flaps are up. All right, we're going to run over here and do a run-up. All right, so Wesley and I just landed in 13821 on runway 7. Winds were 10 with a slight gust out of the northeast. And I have here, this is Morgan and this is Jennifer. All right, you might think they're sisters, but let me just say, this is the mom and this is Morgan. Morgan is a classmate of Wesley's from BU, where they go to school. And is this your first time up in a small plane?
In a small plane, yes.
Okay, small. What about same for you?
Yeah.
All right, so what I'm going to do, we're going to get inside and I'm going to do a quick safety briefing with them because it is very warm out here and we aren't going to spend much time. Then we're going to get in the air. So we'll catch you in a little bit. All right, so we just landed on runway 9er, and ATC was saying winds are calm at 04, but I'm looking at that windsock down there. I don't think that is calm. Yeah, look at that windsock. Nonetheless, great trip. Glad to have Jennifer and Morgan along with us in 13821 for this journey. We are at the refueling station here. So we've got a Diamond that's getting fueled up right there. And once he clears out, then we'll just push the plane up there, and then we'll get ourselves fueled up. So really good flight today. Jennifer and Morgan did a fantastic job. Glad to have them come along with us. So the pictures are posted. Hope they turned out all right. And as always, thank you for coming along with us on this journey with Guardian 95 Aviation, Wings Flight Club, and of course my good son Wesley. I'm always glad to fly with this guy. So thank you very much, Wesley, for coming along on this journey. And glad you were able to invite Morgan and her mom along. All right, thanks for watching, guys.